Hi, I'm Bob. I'm another physical therapist at Lower Umpqua Rehab. Now, if you have been following along and have tried the seated exercises provided to you by Kat and thought they were a breeze, we're going to go ahead and try some standing exercises next here. The standing exercises provide you the added challenge of balance and stability upright that will provide you more balance doing functional activities such as walking. So we're going to take you through a series of exercises for the hips, the knees, and the ankles for this. Okay. The best place to perform this is at your sink or using a countertop, so you got something to hang on to as you do the exercises to help you maintain your balance. Okay, so we're going to take the sink here. We're going to start off just like what we were doing in seating. We're just going to start working with some marches. We're going to try and get those knees up nice and high, but make sure that we aren't going to hit it on the countertop as we go. Okay, next we're going to try working with some sideways kicks, bringing the leg out towards the side, just like so. With this one, I want to make sure that you're keeping your toes forward and facing the cabinets at all times, making sure you're keeping your back up tall as well. Next, we're going to try a backwards kick here, still keeping that leg nice and straight and keeping the back straight as well. We're going to work on kicking that leg straight back. We're going to move on to the knee now, and we're going to work on some butt kicks. So from this position, we're going to work on bending that knee and bring the foot up towards the bottom as if you're trying to kick yourself in the bottom. Of course, all these exercises can be performed on both sides. Usually doing a set on one leg, then switching sides would be most beneficial for you. We're going to move on to the ankles here, and we're going to work with heel raises, coming on up. This is typically performed with both feet at the same time. And the toe raises, bringing those toes up and off the ground like such. With this one, it's important to make sure that you aren't leaning backwards, pulling yourself back like this, but rather standing nice and tall and only letting the muscles do the work here. Last but not least, if those ones went pretty smoothly, we're going to have you try doing some mini squats at the sink. You're going to keep your feet about shoulder width apart, and you're going to work on coming on down like such, just as though you're trying to sit in a chair and change your mind, coming back up. Again, coming back, bottom back, and up. With each one of these, it's good to perform 8 to 10 reps or so, and make sure you take a break before moving on to the next one.